YouTube mate, what's cooking good looking? We have Myprotein unboxing. Woohoo! So we're gonna do a taste test of some samples, some stuff, and some other stuff, and we're gonna open it with these scissors.
Why was that necessary?
I don't know.
Okay.
Okay.
Box numero uno. I feel really cool because I get to scrub out my name now, like not like actual.
It's right there.
Wait, what? Oh, I missed one.
But even
That's
if
okay.
you mail us a pizza, have
Oh yeah, I was gonna say if you want to mail us a pizza, mail me something that you want me to unbox. Whether it's something part of your life, like I think it would be cool to unbox like jerseys.
Want people to send us stuff.
Yeah, why not? I think.
So. Okay. Say hello.
So yeah, if anyone does want to send us something, whether you're an artist, woodworker, 3D printer, you have a cool local like sports jersey or t-shirt or whatever that you want me to unbox, you're a fan of anime and you got figurines or whatever,
Or like funny stuff.
Yeah, something funny. I don't at the moment. It'd be redundant to have a PO box, but those of you who are often prevalent in chat, we can work something out. So first box is tissues. Yes. Taste test the tissue.
Bev?
Taste test the tissue.
Who shall actually eat it?
We have a peanut butter protein cookie.
Oh, the butter seriously.
Wow, they used all of this packaging for peanut butter protein cookie.
Wow. Now I see why you got 3 boxes. For one cookie, that's insane.
I thought I got a couple of like actual bars.
We will recycle the packaging.
Yes. Soft baked.
Are we gonna open it?
As opposed to half baked, 0 trans fats. Okay, I will put on the screen right now the nutritional info. Looks a little melty. There it is.
Go.
Boom.
Good.
Looks pretty good.
Here
Dog
we-
wants some of mine. You like the West. Alright, taste test.
I don't like it.
I don't like it either. It doesn't taste like peanut butter. It's very grainy. Like, you know how protein bars? So you know how protein bars have like a really grainy texture? That's what that tastes like.
It doesn't taste bad. The texture is
Yeah. It is peanut buttery. Like, at the end, you do get some peanut butter. And that's all
peanut
it is.
buttery.
Yeah,
It's got that protein bar texture. I'm not gonna have any more.
it does. It's not very cookie-like. The start doesn't really taste like anything, and then it kicks into peanut butter after you, like, finish up. Alright. Box numero dos. Yes, I made sure to scribble out everything in that one. Alright, we have some goodies in here. Hell yeah. Perfect. Let's go. Alright, so in this box. Okay, so I got a shaker, which we will be doing a taste test in this.
It
And
doesn't have a ball.
no, it's the thing
The
you
screen
see,
at
you
the
see the
top.
screen at the top. And a big jug for water.
Great.
What?
I'm gonna be tripping over that in the house. Just wait.
For?
Let's see how long where you can put it. It's massive. How much water does this hold?
I think it's a half gallon. Maybe a whole gallon.
No, it's a gallon.
A whole gallon.
Yeah.
There you go. I did get a protein bar at somewhere, so hopefully it's in box numero 3. Lucky last. There it is. Anyway, last box, best box, all the fun stuff. Boom. It's backwards for you. Myprotein layered treat with a cheat. Treat without the cheat. Pardon my non-good English. Cookies and cream. Again, Myprotein vegan protein bar. Mocha. This feels tough. Like you could beat someone's head in with it. Citrulline mallet. So nitric oxide booster helps with the pump and increase blood flow. So it's the pump agent or product that you see in pre-workouts. I don't recommend pre-made pre-workouts. I will recommend doing it yourself. That's for a video to come. Creatine monohydrate. If you were to get one supplement I would recommend one supplement, it would be this one. This is unflavored. We don't need to try this, and we don't need to try this because they're all unflavored. But those two products set was probably $10 or $20. Chocolate brownie. Can you hold it?
There we go.
Muscles.
You couldn't see the label.
That's it. Chocolate brownie impact whey protein. We will try that. We'll do one scoop with about 8 ounces of water. We'll see what she thinks.
I don't really like the taste of protein. I'm very picky and sensitive.
This is why we have her on, because I'm just going to say, yeah, it's fine. But, you know, if you're not one that likes protein, and if she actually says it's nice, then boom. Whatever you do, don't get the glazed donut. Taste like doo-doos. And then...
You know what you could do? I could make protein brownies.
Ooh, we could do.
Yeah.
And then we have protein pancake mix as well. So we'll whip some of these up tomorrow morning, and we'll continue the review of these tomorrow morning for you watching on the tubes. Okay, so it's vegan. Protein bar. Nutritional info will be probably over her face. Looks shiny.
Very tiny.
It's like a bald man's head.
Do you just want to cut part of that off?
Can we cut it? You want to
cut it? That feels unsanitary.
Just pick it off.
Okay.
If you want.
I'm just gonna take a bite of it.
Okay.
Oh.
Is it actually not as hard? So what is it? It's mocha for those of you who are cultured. Not as hard as initial field test.
Wait, I didn't get enough. Hold on.
Mocha-ish, yes. Because it's coffee on the inside with chocolate on the outside. Again, very grainy.
It's like powdery.
It's very powdery. It's like almost like if you pinched it, I bet you could do this and it would like powder through.
Yeah. I feel like you can eat a good diet. And like if you need a snack, eat a piece of fruit or something. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like
I'm a doctor. Okay. The treat without a cheat.
Okay.
I think that's what they're calling this. So it looks like it's layered and it's got a piece of goo on the inside.
I'm expecting greatness.
Nothing but. Oh, yeah.
It looks good.
It does look good. It looks pretty good. You want honest?
Yeah. Oh.
Same old. Get a good bite.
It's okay. Here, you go down.
Okay.
It's okay. What do you think?
Texture-wise, out of all three, best texture.
Yeah, best texture for sure.
It's a little gooey. It's more candy bar-like. Oh, good.
Oh, you're not done. Okay.
No. Well, it's the most candy bar-like out of all of them.
The white chocolate on the outside is actually kind of nice. It's like a cookies and cream bar.
It is. And it's got like...
He likes it.
different texture in the sense of like, there's some crunchy, there's some smooth, you know.
Yeah.
So if you're going to get one, I'll choose this one, definitely. Those two, the other two struggled taste and texture-wise. Like the initial taste and that kind of stuff. This one, again, I mean, it doesn't give you the full taste like a Hershey's cookies and cream chocolate bar.
It definitely still tastes like protein. Don't get us wrong.
Yeah, but for a protein bar, you know, not that bad.
Yeah.
All right.
So wait, if you're gonna rate these, what did you like better? So we know that.
So we know the layered bar is one.
Do you like the cookie or the vegan thing?
Oh shit! You know that's tough. The thing with the vegan thing, I think it had a better. I think you could tell the flavors sooner, because the peanut butter one, you didn't really taste the peanut butter until like after you'd finished eating it. But I didn't like the texture because it was very powdery.
I'm gonna call it a tie.
A tie?
They both kind of suck.
So we got a tie for the shitters, and then we got a winner.
The one that was like decent.
So Winner? Shitter.
Maybe not. Trust yourself and let us know what you think.
Yeah, there you go. Let us know in the comments below.
That's right. That's what you're supposed to say.
I think so.
The dogs are really hoping.
Oh, I need to find the scoop. You need to find the pooper scooper, you know?
All that?
Yeah, it's one scoop, lady.
For 8 ounces. Okay.
One scoop. 1 scoop, 8 ounces, initial taste test of water. Obviously, more protein or less water or milk will make it tastier, a little more creamier, a thicker consistency. We need to make everything consistent when we do these tests further with other supplement companies or other brands. Come on, give it a good shake for like 5 seconds. 5. Done. Stop shaking.
Alright.
Alright, open her up. But we gonna try and make, if we do more of these unboxings with other companies or products, that everything is kind of semi-even through them. Go! Skull. Disclaimer, she does hate protein.
That tastes fine. I'm not offended by that in the slightest.
I'm only offended by the lukewarm water.
Yeah, I mean...
So, that's actually pretty good.
It's good, yeah.
Wow. For her saying it's good, it's gotta be good.
It's not too bad.
Chocolate brownie, Myprotein, Impact Whey. Pretty good. So, the link for me will be, for YouTube, will be down below in the description to go to Myprotein. So pancakes tomorrow morning, so we're gonna cook pancakes, and the next clip on YouTube will be us frying pancakes.
Thanks, past Josh. Present Josh here. With our ingredients, we're going to be using milk. And also some light, low-calorie syrup. So 2 scoops, 1/4 cup of milk. And it's not working. More milk it is. There we go. Myprotein protein pancakes. It's the best protein pancakes I've ever had.
Really?
Trader Joe's, Kodiak Cakes, anything.
Shocking. Unexpected.
Yeah, really good. Reminds me of a McDonald's hot cake. So Wife chickened out on the review, so just good old Joshy boy. Macros will be there. I'm experiencing some things right now. This concludes the Myprotein unboxing and review. I hope you enjoyed it. I will leave my Myprotein code below. It gets you 45% off. So if you're looking at anything, they regularly have sales and places to get your supplements from. They do have a as always. Catch you later, alligator. And always, don't drink dry.